In a world where quality and safety are paramount, spray booths have become essential across various industries. Spray booths minimize exposure to hazardous fumes and particles, protecting workers' health and maintaining a safe working environment. Everywhere from automotive and woodworking to manufacturing, spray booths play a critical role in ensuring flawless finishes and protecting workers. In the automotive industry, spray booths provide a controlled environment, ensuring a smooth, even application of paint. This results in a superior finish that enhances both the appearance and durability of vehicles. Woodworking professionals rely on spray booths to apply varnish and lacquer evenly, creating stunning, long-lasting furniture pieces. The controlled airflow and filtration systems prevent dust and debris from ruining the finish. In manufacturing, spray booths are essential for applying protective coatings to metal parts, preventing corrosion and extending the lifespan of products. This ensures quality and reliability in everything from machinery to consumer goods. In every industry, spray booths are more than just a tool, they are an investment in quality, safety, and efficiency. Ensuring perfect finishes and protecting what matters most, your people and your products. At Nordfab Australia, we have successfully manufactured and installed both dry and wet spray booths to multiple applications. We carefully listen to our customers' needs to come up with a solution that best accommodate their business. Nordfab will be with you all the way through the process and will make sure you experience the benefits of having a spray booth installed for your application. Discover the difference a spray booth can make for your business. Contact us today to learn more or visit us at this address.